Hi everyone, this is Gül Yüksel. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager of VooDoo RPA. Today we are here to give you a crash course to automating your business. It will be a short presentation by Selin Hayran and you can ask your questions in the comments. Our team will be there to answer any questions you might ask. Hi Selin, your turn. First introduce yourself and then go ahead with your presentation.
Thank you, Gül, and thanks for our audience who watch us and listen us. I am Selin Hayran, firstly. I am working as Project and Partnership Manager for VooDoo RPA. And today I will explain what's RPA and generally I will tell about RPA. And let me share my presentation firstly. Here's my presentation. Okay, what's RPA? Let's start with this. Yes, robotic process automation, we call it shortly as RPA, is like having virtual robots working for you. These software tools can automate all those pesky, repetitive tasks that take up so much of our time. And just like a human, an RPA robot can do all kinds of things. Click buttons, just like a human would. For example, an RPA robot could log into a computer to access a certain program, or it could click on a button to submit an online form. The second one is make decisions. Robots make decisions based on rules it has been programmed with. For example, if the temperature in a warehouse drops below a certain level, the RPA robot could send an alert to the maintenance team. An RPA robot could be programmed to check the weather forecast before deciding whether to send an email reminder to employees to bring an umbrella to work. Or it could be programmed to escalate a customer service request to a supervisor if it meets certain criteria. The next one is enter text. Robot can enter text and data into the right places. What will be the example? Inputting customer information into a database, or it could be used to fill out an online form with the correct information. And it can check for errors or inconsistencies between different applications. For example, cross-checking an order form against a company's inventory to make sure there are enough products available. Or it could be used to verify that the information entered into one database matches the information in another database. These virtual workers can do just about anything a human can do, but without all the coffee breaks and sick days. Plus, they can work around the clock, so you never have to worry about tasks filling up while you are not there. An RPA robot can do all kinds of things, including copying data from an internet website and pasting it into Excel. An RPA robot could be programmed to regularly scrap data from a specific website and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet for analysis. It can change data related to a formula in Excel. An RPA robot could be programmed to update a pivot table with new data on a regular basis. The next one, it can use the databases. An RPA robot could be programmed to retrieve data from a database and use it to fill out an online form. And the next one is the RPA can use web services also. It could be programmed to use an API to retrieve data from a website and use it to update a database. It can use desktop applications also. For example, an RPA robot could be programmed to use a specific desktop application to process data and generate reports. It can use an infinite number of applications. For example, an RPA robot could be programmed to use multiple different applications to perform a complex task, such as creating a presentation using data from several different sources. These virtual workers are incredibly versatile and can help save time and effort by automating all kinds of tasks. The error rate is why. The next question will be, why should you automate your processes? The error rate is practically non-existent. RPA software is designed to minimize errors, as it follows the exact same steps every time it performs a task. This can lead to increased accuracy and efficiency in your business processes. The next one is automation can minimize tedious, repetitive tasks. RPA software can handle all those boring, repetitive tasks that take up so much of your employees' time. This frees up your employees to focus on more interesting and valuable work. The next one is automation can help your employees focus on the work they enjoy. With RPA software handling the tedious tasks, your employees can focus on the work they are most interested in and skilled at. This can lead to increased job satisfaction and motivation. The next one, automation can speed up processes and communication with supervisors. RPA software can quickly and accurately complete tasks, which can speed up processes and communication with supervisors. This can save everyone time and increase efficiency. Automation can help reduce your business cost. That's the important one. By automating certain tasks, you can potentially save on labor costs and other expenses. That's important for you, I think. The next one is automation can minimize human errors. RPA software follows the same steps every time it performs a task, which can help minimize errors and improve accuracy. Automation can improve customer satisfaction by reducing errors and improving the speed at which tasks are completed. Automation can lead to improved customer satisfaction. Automation can improve business productivity. With RPA software handling tedious tasks, your employees can focus on more valuable work, leading to increasing productivity for your business. Automation can help conserve your company culture. With RPA software handling certain tasks, there won't be a need for knowledge migration when employees leave the company. This can help preserve your company culture and keep operations running smoothly. And this is very important, I think, company culture. The last one is automation can lead to decreased work stress and improved return on investments. With RPA software handling tedious tasks and increasing efficiency, your employees may experience decreased work stress. Additionally, the cost savings and increased productivity that automation can bring can lead to an improved return on investment for your businesses. And RPA can be used in these sectors. This is my next question. What will be the sectors for RPA? Want to see how automation with RPA can be applied in different sectors. Here are some examples. Finance and accounting. It's very generally using sector for RPA. Automating tasks such as invoice and receipt entry, extracting information like the total amount and invoice number, and entering it into accounting applications. The other sector is banking. Automating tasks such as signing loan documents, checking customer credit worthiness, and processing credits, including obtaining necessary collateral and handling mortgage applications, etc. Human resources. Automating tasks such as reviewing job applicant resumes, sending notifications to candidates during the recruitment process, tracking insurance and taxes, and making individual pensions payments, etc. You can multiply these processes. Examples. For insurance sector, automating tasks such as acceptance of risk, customer service support, claim file management, application processes, policy cancellations, and answering standard and rule-based questions. The next sector is health industry, automating tasks such as scheduling patient appointments, processing and evaluating data and documents in request management, verifying patient identity information, preparing invoices for patients and registering patients, etc. For e-commerce industry, automating tasks such as invoicing and sending customer reminders, processing product orders and returns, managing inventory using ERP with RPA, and sales integration at the point of sale, updating and displaying the product portfolio, categorizing products, and generating and managing content. Manufacturing industry, you can automate tasks such as creating bills of materials. You can track raw materials and production details. You can process invoices. You can control inventory and provide customer support. For supply chain, RPA can automate tasks such as speeding up order processes. It can track shipments in real time using GPS device integration and continuously track stock, etc. For logistics industry, automating tasks such as managing shipments and writing customs declarations and following up after sales, as well as handling suppliers' P2P processes, etc. As you can see, RPA can be applied in a wide variety of sectors to automate all kinds of tasks and improve efficiency. And how would RPA can support you? That's the important one for me and for you also. VooDoo RPA can automate your repetitive and routine tasks, freeing up your human resources to focus on more value-added activities by automating tedious tasks. VooDoo RPA can help your organization save time and resources. This can allow your employees to focus on work that is more interesting and adds more value to the business. The second support for you is VooDoo RPA can support your organization in terms of return on investment. Automating tasks with VooDoo RPA can potentially save your organization money and increase efficiency, leading to a better return on investment. The third one is VooDoo RPA can increase your company's growth momentum by streamlining processes and increasing efficiency. VooDoo RPA can help your organization grow more quickly. And fourth one, VooDoo RPA can enable you to serve your customers faster. By automating tasks, VooDoo RPA can help your organization complete tasks more quickly, leading to improved customer satisfaction. The last one is VooDoo RPA can reduce the amount of legal work for you have to do due to mistakes made by people. By minimizing errors, VooDoo RPA can help your organization reduce the amount of legal work that may be necessary due to mistakes made by people. You can ask us if your processes are suitable for RPA or automation. If you are not sure whether your organization's processes are suitable for automation with VooDoo RPA, you can ask us for guidance. We can assess your processes and provide recommendations. And that's the end of my presentation. Thanks, Gül, and thanks for our audience.
Thank you, Selin. With all these, you might wonder why, if your processes are automatable. Honestly, we don't know. But all processes created equal. Some doesn't return the investments. So that's why we are here offering a free 15-minute consulting. Reach us from this email to arrange a Zoom call. And if you have any questions, please write on the comment section. We will be there. And for a while, bye-bye.